I moved into a 180-year-old mill to see if I could bring it back to life by designing and manufacturing small homes, not tiny homes. My name's Trevor. Welcome to the Hab Lab. Now the mill is nearly 200 years old, which means Mother Nature and Father Time have both put a serious beat down on the place. But there's still a lot of amazing spaces that are unique. So the goal is to preserve as much of the historical and existing space as possible so that you guys can come and experience some of the amazing spaces. But before that, we need to give you all a place to stay. So the first assignment for the Hab Lab is design and create some amazing homes that are just as interesting and unique as the mill. Let's go. Quick little tour of the mill. Cool thing about mills in the old days is they were actually their own town, so they had their own zip code. First stop, might as well check out the old post office, which is right across the street from the entrance. Big brick building, massively overbuilt, but hey, they were an iron mill at the beginning. They used a ton of heavy timber. She's pretty much bulletproof. One of the cool sights here is the old ball field. This thing must have been built in the 40s, and literally the town had its own field. Stadium still here. Well, I'll call it a stadium. I think it's more like bleachers and some grass. Now, one of the cool details of the old bleachers was the shower house in the back. And apparently, yeah, here we are. So we got the men's showers. They painted that cylinder black, and that was the hot water source for showering up after the game. Next stop, we have barbershop, and then the fire station underneath that. Tons of pink. Storage building, more pink. Now we'll be coming up on our right here. This building was the old barber shop and firehouse. I can't believe they fit a fire truck in here. Got upstairs is the barber shop. Fire trucks below. I'm guessing since they had a river right there, it was basically a huge pump with 4 wheels and a trailer. So you're not fit much in that barn. Next up, keep on rolling. She needs plenty of work, but a lot of good bones in there, a lot of good bones. Oh, we got history, we got history. The old Habersham Ironworks and Manufacturing Company. So they started in 1838, operated for a few years, then, amazingly, got back to work when they had to make cannons for the Civil War, for the Confederates. That ended, and then later on became a cotton mill. After the cotton mill, a couple other small tenants, and now it's the Hab Lab. You gotta appreciate the pink. We're definitely not afraid of putting a little color on the old mill. Last stop on the tour, the waterfront. Can't have a mill tour without checking out the river, which is the premier spot, obviously, of the mill property. I mean, this old warehouse building needs a ton of repair, but it's just sweet to look at. I mean, all the metal details, concrete, heavy timbers. Whew. She's a wreck, but she looks good. Right here we have the spillway. I'm not sure if I would send this just swim trunks, but definitely kayak over there. That's one of the old power stations, which potentially we could get going. I think we got enough on our plate, but just a lot of cool spaces, a water hole down there, and then just a nice view of the mill from the spillway and the riverfront. All right, that's the old run of the mill, as they say. The next priority will be carving out a small piece of this giant mill for our workshop. The idea is to build our prototype to scale, but have mock-ups so we can test floor plans, materials before committing to the first build. Also, we need to find a site. So like, subscribe, you know the drill. I'm not sure how educational it'll be, but hopefully you'll find it entertaining. And if not, you can always just tear us up in the comments. So we'll see you next time. All right, the old security stop here. We got to check in with Fred. All good, Fred? Check.